Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to do the flower blossoming. Let's get started. Open a new file. First, we will create a sphere, convert it into editable poly. Go to here and then delete part of it. And I want to rotate it like this. And then give it some thickness. And we will go with pen. With pen, and then open the pen. We will relocate this one, and here the center will be here. And okay, let's give it some adjustment with this will be, you can see it. Okay, done with one. So we can now we will set the keyframe to make the animation. Go here and then auto key, make key, and then go to this time, set it with this, and make key. Okay. Now we will click on it, go to tool, click array, and let's see, click on the review, and then let's see how it do the whole flower. Okay, done. Let's see the final result. Thank you.